Hello! I am about to do an unboxing of all of our brand new bags that are going to go on the website between today and tomorrow, hopefully. I am Kimmy, the founder of Milk and Honey Collection, where we have authentic secondhand luxury designer bags for a fraction of the brand new cost in amazing condition. I have a couple over here that are on the website right now, ready to buy, and I'm going to show them to you first before we get started. So here is a beautiful Louboutin Alma. She is an icon in Louis Vuitton fashion. Absolutely stunning. The canvas on her is excellent. Very few light watermarking, which is honestly something that you see a lot of in the Almas. You see so much watermarking. She doesn't have too much. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. The straps, handles on her are stunning and beautiful. She's a bit bigger size, like an MM size. She's a 1995. It's her birthday. The hardware is excellent. Stunning condition. The inside is excellent. Nothing really to mention about the inside besides some dust bunnies maybe. But this one's on the website literally only for $525. Like, that's, guys, the Alma is such an iconic bag. It's hard to find, honestly, especially in the secondhand industry. This one you can get for only $525 right now. Okay, you've got this amazing, beautiful find that we got. It is a leopard Gucci wallet. Little fuzz. Leopard Gucci. It is a unicorn is what we call it, because very, very, very rare. So honestly, you really can't go anywhere online. You can't type in leopard Gucci and be able to, you can't really find one. We've probably got one of the only ones that you can find secondhand. So leopard Gucci, you see the little Gucci right here, and then the Supreme logo right here. Inside is excellent. Nothing wrong with the inside. Maybe the only flaw is tiny bit of wear on the zipper pull, but that's literally it. The inside is leather and it's outstanding condition. And then lastly, I have another Gucci bamboo. If you're not familiar with Gucci, they're kind of known for putting bamboo elements, real bamboo elements, in their bags. This one is a handbag, but it also doubles as a shoulder bag. So it has a strap that you can take out and wear it as a shoulder bag as well. It's got almost a burgundy tone to it, kind of throughout, and then this dark brown chocolate leather around the edges. Tiny bit of wear on the corners, but other than that, it's in almost flawless condition. The hardware is excellent, not even a scratch on the hardware, and the inside is in amazing condition as well. Beautiful bag, probably one of my new favorites that we have. Okay, are y'all ready? This box has something that I am so excited about. It starts with a C. If you know your luxury bags, you know what I'm talking about. And maybe I'll do that one very last, depending. I'm super careful when I open these. Okay. I know we got a good variety of goodies in this bag. Lots of different designers instead of just, sometimes we'll get boxes of all Louis or all Gucci's. This one's got a lot of different ones. Ow! Don't do this at home, kids. Okay. The guy that, anyways, that's a snack for me. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Save this one for last. Y'all see how I light up because these bags are so amazing. The condition is outstanding. When you're buying them, the price that you're gonna get them for is second to none. I promise you. So, oh, more snack. Okay, a little bitty snip over here so I can get in. My SLGs that we have, small leather goods, probably inside of this big bag, so we'll have to open it up first. MCM, are you familiar? It's kind of an up and coming, it's not a new brand by any means. It's not crazy modern as far as like brand new, but they've kind of really been a more up and coming brand in the pop culture for sure. So you've been seeing lots of people in the pop industry wearing MCM bags. So we haven't really had one yet. So this is one of our very first, well, it is our very first MCM bag. It's this iconic, it smells so vintage and good, leathery. It's this iconic camel color tote bag. Just gonna go ahead and pull these SLGs out of here. Iconic tote bag in this color. Y'all get a sneak peek of that, Louis? Oh, I love this size. This, oh my gosh, the huge straps. This is probably like an 18-inch drop right here. This is like a mom bag. So if you need to put diapers and all sorts of stuff in here, you can stuff that full, or an office bag. I'm little, like 5'5". This could be worn as a crossbody on me, which you wouldn't even think, because tote bags, especially with just a drop, you don't really think to wear it as a crossbody, but I could totally get away with that. And then just a regular shoulder bag here. Condition is awesome. The leather is really nice. I love that it has that like texture through it. The hardware is awesome. Not even really any scratches at all. The interior, amazing. This is a really good find. And and it's got like a little pochette, but it's not detachable. You can see here, a little pochette to put your cosmetics or whatever you want to put inside of there. So, really good find. This isn't gonna be very much, y'all. It's gonna be such a good price. I'm gonna try to put it on the website today or tomorrow. So stay tuned and look for this beauty. Set her right here. Okay. Let's see what we got. We'll do a necklace. Dior. Okay, so I know that there are people out there that are like hardcore Dior fans. So some people are hardcore Louis fans, some people are hardcore Dior fans. I'm really digging that saddle bag. It's kind of what I might want on my wish list. This is a necklace though. Dior is kind of known for their jewelry a little bit too. Let me flip it over. Wow. So this is essentially an unused condition. You can see the Christian Dior emblem right there. And then of course the heart. I mean, excellent condition. Nothing to even tell you about it. You would buy this at the store just like that. Matter of fact, it doesn't have what the price was, but it has the original tag on it as well. So, oh my gosh, so pretty. I love it. I always want to keep everything that we get. It's not very long. So it's gonna be more of a choker link. So it's probably gonna hit kind of where mine is, you know. It's really pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, stunning piece. She's in excellent, excellent condition. Okay. That one, okay. The price on this one will probably be really, really good. So stay tuned. Okay. Y'all want some Chanel? Okay. Not the Chanel. The Chanel is, we'll save her for last. Ta-da! This one is called a Cambon wallet. Cambon, Chanel. Caviar leather, which caviar leather is the most luxurious leather that Chanel makes their bags with. So if you're looking for a Chanel bag, you can, I mean, any other leather is amazing, of course, but the caviar leather is something that is sought after and just stunning. It's that, you see that texture throughout. Big CC right on the front here. The button is nice. Just opens up into this beautiful lambskin leather. Chanel down on the corner. It's got 6 card slots over here. A spot for, I don't know, something. And then a spot for cash. The hologram is perfect and intact here. If you're buying a Chanel bag, you want to try to make sure it at least has the hologram on it, which is the sticker on the inside, because that's very indicative of it being an authentic bag. You can see the Chanel written on the little coin pouch right there. And then there's really no, open up little guy. Really no coin residue at all in the little coin pouch here. An amazing piece to have, especially if you're a Chanel collector or you want to be a Chanel collector. This is an icon that needs to be in your collection. Okay, next we have Louis. Everybody's a big Louis fan, so am I. So we have not had the multicolor Louis Vuitton before. So this is the first piece we've had, and it will be on the website very, very soon. It is the white multicolor. I love the white multicolor because I just feel like it's so bright, so colorful and beautiful. The other one is black. This one has no color change. Sometimes you'll see in white multicolors, it's got a little bit of color fading, maybe some yellow or blackening. This one has none. It's in great, great, great condition. Gold hardware, the glazing, outstanding. Sometimes you can see, especially on wallets, a bit of wear on the glazing on the edges. This one's outstanding condition. You can even see on the inside that vachetta, the leather, is such a beautiful light color. It's got a little bit of pin marking here, but man, these are hard to come by. And for this condition, the exterior condition, absolutely, absolutely awesome. It's so pretty. I love it. Even the just little details Louis Vuitton does. So cute. So cute. Okay, to the main event. Who's ready? She's so pretty. It's a Chanel. These I'm going to try to get up today, at least most of them, some of them. If not, they'll probably be up tomorrow. So watch the website. I have so many people from all over the country on our website every day. So let us know where you're from, because I'll look on the website in the back and I'll see somebody from Seattle, somebody from random place in Utah on the website. I'm like, this is so crazy. So let us know where you're from. We are very curious who is finding us. Who knows? Okay. So this Chanel is caviar leather as well. Extremely luxurious. Impeccable condition. Impeccable condition. And I can't even say that enough. Obviously oh my goodness, it's so big. Matt's filming. He's like, okay, she's gonna end up keeping that. That's great. Oh my gosh. How beautiful would this be for a travel bag? Like a carry-on. You don't want to get it scratched or anything, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend wearing it on a road trip. Oh my gosh. So big. That's a mom bag too, if you're like an extra mom. So, if you're going somewhere where you need to carry lots of things, I wouldn't necessarily recommend even any Chanel carrying it on a daily basis, but if you're going somewhere where you need to carry a lot of things, somewhere a little bit fancy, this, oh, and she does button, well, I'll have to do that in a minute, but she does button to make it probably a little bit smaller. Absolutely impeccable condition, no flaws. The hardware is shiny and beautiful and gold. Interior, this big CC logo is absolutely beautiful and so big. Interior, excellent. And she does zip up. See the Chanel here. Zips up. And then a big pocket on the back. Whoever used this bag before did use it for traveling, because there's an airline ticket in here. Let's see. Let me find the hologram sticker for you all. I know for a fact she has it. Sometimes they get hidden if I can't find it. that's okay. I will of course post about it. Yeah, it'll take me a minute to find it, but here is the last one. She'll be on the website very, very soon. This would look beautiful underneath somebody's tree. I guarantee it. Thanks for watching, guys.